Welcome back to Mastering Mayhem. Today we have the M12 1/4" hex impact driver kit 2553-21. Let's go ahead and unbox this. This was $89 at my local Home Depot. It's a new one. It comes with the impact driver, of course, one CP 2.0 battery, an M12 charger, and a contractor bag. So all that's included in here. And they're saying normally the special buy kit is $227 value. So for $89, of course I'll include the links down below. Wherever I find it for a better deal or the same deal, I'll go ahead and try to give you as much information on that as possible. So let's go ahead and get this guy open. We're gonna go ahead and use my little mini samurai. If you guys like the little mini samurai pocket knife, I will go ahead and link that in the description, or put the link in the description as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes in that nice contractor bag. Of course it's a rugged contractor bag. Nice easy zipper here. And it does have a handle up top. Cloth material, but again, contractor bag. So this is what you got inside. Well, let's start with the equipment and then we'll go through the paperwork here that it comes with. Okay, so in the packaging you have your, oh, it looks like you can win something here. It says win a 10-piece combo toolkit. One winner a month. Definitely gonna register for that. If I can win a 10-piece, that'd be awesome. So it comes with the 12-volt battery charger here. So that's the charger it comes with, and of course it comes with the battery. There we go. I guess we'll see how much battery life it has. And then of course we have the 1/4" hex impact driver. Ooh, it's got a nice weight to it. Very, very compact. We're gonna go ahead and take some measurements and see how small it is. I'm going to compare it to the Bosch 5-in-1, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. So just from the start, this feels and looks like it's smaller. So this particular impact driver does have a 4-mode driving capability, or 4-mode driving settings here. So we're going to test that out. It does come with a belt clip as well. It's good to see that on this. And it does have a battery gauge indicator right here. So let's go ahead and plug in that battery, see how it comes out of the box. What do we have? It comes half charged, starting on setting number 1 there. You can hear that. Let's see how it sounds in setting 2. So you push that middle button here with the arched arrow and it'll go to the next setting. So this is setting 2 now. A lot faster. Setting 3, even faster. And setting 4 is the impact. I guess you can't hear it because there's no bit in there, but that's what you have with this for $89. This is a great tool on the job site, but definitely if you want something for the home, 89 bucks, compact, a lot of power. I'm going to do a second video where after we do the unboxing, I'm going to compare it to the Bosch and even an 18-volt, just to kind of show you guys, you know, or to help you decide whether you need an 18-volt tool or just if a 12-volt is enough. So I did get a 4 amperage hour battery for this 12-volt, so we'll see how that improves or helps the power of this gun here. The collet goes outward to release the bit, so you just pull it outward. A nice grip pattern here for you to be able to pull that out. And of course you have center where it locks the trigger, and then right and left. Yeah, so it's a variable speed trigger, and then you have a nice LED light right there. So really great, and I love how they put the darker gray material here, the metal. It's just a nicer color, and I think it goes better with the overall paint scheme here. So it is a brushless impact driver, and so that's pretty much it on the features of the actual gun itself. And then the battery charger. It just have these indicators here, whether you know it's charging, fully charged, temperature, or if something's wrong with the battery. You can hang this on the wall if you like. It does have that for you. So really nice charger. It does have some weight. I am more than certain, let me just show you here. So this is the Bosch, It is shorter by quite a bit. The Bosch, I have the impact, because this has 5 different attachments, you know, where you can add on to this, but this is the shortest one, which is the impact driver attachment on the Bosch, and the Milwaukee is shorter by about an inch. I'll go ahead and measure it, but yeah, definitely shorter, about an inch or more, maybe an inch and a half. It is longer though, as far as the battery and the handle and everything, which for me, I like that. It gives me more balance, more control, more grip. So they're about the same size battery, so you should get, Milwaukee seems a little more bulky. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, they're about the same size battery wise. Yeah, so the Milwaukee handle is a bit longer. I think it's also because the Milwaukee housing of the motor is bigger. It's much more girthy there, so if you look at it from the back, I don't know if you can see that, but I could definitely see it in person. So the housing of the motor is much more solid and much bigger. So maybe that's what causes the handle to come down a bit longer, because if you put it up right next to where it starts here, next to the Bosch, it looks like the handles are the same length. It's just a bigger head here. So it's a bigger motor, but it is shorter, so it kind of evens out. But one thing I didn't like about the Bosch, this guy here, is that it doesn't have a belt clip. They didn't include a belt clip at all anywhere with this guy, so you have to get like a aftermarket belt clip for this. Also, what's really cool, I just saw this, you can put the belt clip on either left or right side. So whatever works best for you, if you're left-handed, right-handed, left side, right side of your belt, you can put the clip on either side of the gun. I'm going to go ahead and measure the things and see how tall it is, how wide it is, how long it is in comparison with the Bosch. And then we're going to weigh it too, see how close they are in weight. I think from how I can feel it right now, it feels like the Milwaukee's just a little bit heavier, and then that way we'll see if I have a decent judgment on weight here between my right and left hands. Right, and then so the Bosch, it's 1 pound 15.4 ounces, so almost 2 pounds. So again, this is a bit lighter. It has an attachment, so that's nice that it's lighter, but it also does not have the belt clip nor the bigger motor. All right, so as you can see here, it's 2 pounds 1.4 ounces with the battery inserted and a belt clip, which the Bosch does not have. So let's go. All right, so here we have it. Let's go ahead and put some of the bits in and see how the collet works and how it grabs and holds and how level or wobbly it is. So we're gonna go ahead and just attach. Right now, I just have a 1/2 inch adapter for sockets. Let's see, and that just pops into place. It does have a little play to it. So if we go to drill mode, that looks very balanced. Let's try a bit longer one. Here's I think a 1 footer. I bought this when I assemble play sets. This is really good to have for those tube slides. Those tube slides are the worst when it comes to play sets, but this is what I got. So let's see how easily this attaches here. Yeah, it just pops in, man. I love that. You don't have to pull it forward. Well, let's see how easily it releases to you. A nice smooth movement there. But yeah, let's go to setting 3. That's the highest. Let's see how balanced this thing stays. Very little wobbling, very little shaking. So it stays very balanced for that length of a bit. That's pretty amazing. I love that. Let's try another bit here. This will just be a drill bit. But yeah, it just pops into place. Speed 3, the highest speed. The highest speed, let's see how wobbly or non-wobbly it is. Yes, hardly any up and down movement with the bit. So that's really great. Again, I saw this guy for $89 at Home Depot, so I bought it. It was a whole kit: battery, impact drill driver. I hope this video helps you, get an idea of whether you need a drill driver like this, if it's more convenient for you at the house or your DIY projects or even professional work. It's probably going to be my new favorite, and I'll have it in my truck all the time. But I will do a second video where I'm going to compare this to this out in the field, right? We're going to go ahead and do some drilling and some driving some screws and some lag bolts, some smaller lag bolts. We're going to compare the two, see which has more power and which has a longer battery life. And also I might compare this guy, the Milwaukee, to my 18 volt RIDGID subcompact impact driver, just to see how it holds up to an 18 volt. But I probably will use the 4 amperage hour battery on this guy and the 3 amperage on the RIDGID. So again, my new favorite, more than likely, just because the weight and the housing and the motor is bigger compared to that Bosch. And I love the way the collet works. I love the fact that it has a belt clip. Really sweet tool right there. It's just a nice feature, again, that it offers you there. All right, and that's what it looks like in the case when you're ready to carry it away or carry it out to the next job. Nice and secure. Yeah, it's got 2 other locations here where you can put additional batteries if you need to. You got your little pocket area here as well. So let's just go ahead and zip it up and call it done. Zipping it up one hand is no problem. Just like that. Nice and smooth. Alright everyone, well I appreciate you tuning in today and checking out this video with the Milwaukee 1/4 inch hex impact driver with the kit. It comes with the kit for $89, and I hope this little unboxing has helped you decide whether you wanted to get one or not, but I hope it gave you some information that you found useful for making a decision. We appreciate you guys just tuning in and showing your support, and most of all, we always appreciate you guys tuning in and liking, sharing, commenting, clicking that notification bell, and of course subscribing. We here at Mastering Mayhem are always trying to make videos that find the best tools, tech, DIYs, and deals to make life a little easier and work more efficient. So until next time, Mastering Mayhem here only wishes the best for you and yours.